How to unlike all posts on Instagram at once. In this video, I'll show you how to unlike multiple Instagram posts at once using Instagram's built-in Your Activity feature. Start by opening the Instagram app on your Android phone or iPhone. Tap your profile picture in the bottom right corner, then tap the three-line menu in the top right corner. Next, tap Your Activity and select Likes under the Interactions section. Here, you'll see all the posts you've liked on Instagram. You can use the available filters to sort posts by date, content type, or the account that posted them. Tap Select in the top right corner and choose the posts you want to remove from your liked history. You can select multiple posts at once. After selecting the posts, tap Unlike at the bottom of the screen and confirm your choice. Instagram will instantly remove your likes from the selected posts. That's it. You've successfully learned how to unlike Instagram posts in bulk. If you found this video informative, click on like, share, and subscribe for more videos.